guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Shreya and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. There's a lot going on in life, you guys, and there's a lot that I have to share. But for now, I'm just gonna share what I have got from Amazon this time. I've been shopping quite a lot from Amazon lately because of obviously the great Indian festive sale. And let me just show you what all I've got. I mean, I've got these many boxes over here, and I have oh shit, sorry, and I have this one as well. It's pretty heavy, so I've got quite many products from Amazon this time. This time it's more of a beauty cosmetic haul video, so if you're interested, please keep watching. So I'm gonna unbox all these boxes and then I'll show you what's inside this, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back, you guys. First I'm gonna start up with this box. We have all Caffeine's product in here. We have all Caffeine's product in here. So this is something which is very close to my heart. I have talked about this quite a lot, that I'm facing this acne issues, and sorry for the noise because it's Diwali time and crackers, you know, people are still burning crackers, so I'm sorry for that. Anyway, let's get started with this one. So I've got this Caffeine's acne control kit, wherein I have this Naked and Raw Cappuccino Coffee Face Scrub Acne and Oil Control. It's for all skin types and this is how it looks like. Now next up I have Foaming Face Wash from Caffeine again, and it's again for acne and oil control. Next up I have, okay, what is this? Next up I have this face mask from Caffeine, and again this whole kit is for acne prone skin. It is to control acne, so this one is also for acne prone skin face mask, coffee face mask it is. And the last product that I have is this coffee moisturizer. It's this lightweight moisturizer, and I got all of them for about 1,200 rupees, so I feel it is a great deal indeed. And you know, getting 4 products for this much rupees, that too for acne control, is something that I am ready to spend on. So alright, so the next product is from someone's recommendation. This product, it is light cleansing oil. It's from Face Shop. It's this rice water bright light cleansing oil, and I do have high hopes from this product because Shri My Reddy, she's an influencer, she recommended this one, so I feel like I definitely have to try this out. I have combination skin, so I guess it's gonna work well for combination skin. Next up I've got this eyeshadow palette from Maybelline. It's this the blush nudes. This is how it looks like, and I have used Maybelline's eyeshadow palette earlier as well. They are quite good. I don't really go much for the colors because I already have eyeshadow palettes with colors which I have not even used yet. So this time I'm just gonna go with nudes and I'm gonna try these out. I really wanna try this one. It really looks nice, and this golden one is also nice. I didn't really have any golden eyeshadow color, so now I have it. Next product that I have is this eyeliner. It's from Maybelline New York again, and it's this line tattoo high impact liner. This is how it looks like, and my best friend uses this one, so I am gonna try this. Let me just watch it for you. Okay, it's quite pigmented and it is not getting smudged as well, so yeah, it's a good product, I believe. Then next up I've got these lipsticks from Faces Canada. I have tried Faces Canada earlier as well. This color is for my mom. She wanted this pink color, so let me just swatch it for you. Okay, this is how it looks like. I mean, yeah, it's like it's too bright, as in it's quite a bold pink color, which I don't really like, but because mom likes it, so this one is for her. Here, I got this for about 700 rupees, I believe. I got another lipstick from Faces Canada, and this is the one that I've got for me. It's in nude shade, I believe. Okay, so it's lighter than that. It's more of a nude shade, but definitely not this bold. and you all know how much I love nude shades, so here it is. This one is for me and this one is for Mama, and definitely I feel like mine is better than hers. Now the last product that I've got this time are these makeup brushes from some unknown brand. I mean, look at the quantity over here. Whoa, I mean, I really wanted some brushes because I don't have a single makeup brush, but finally I've got some over here. I got this beauty blender as well. With this, it costed me around 270 rupees. I mean, under 300 rupees I got all of them. I have never really heard of this brand, Urban Mac I believe, but I thought why not give it a try. I had gone through the reviews and they were nice, so here we are. I've got all of them. I've got 10 brushes and one beauty blender for about 270 rupees. So yes, I am quite happy. So yeah, that's all I've got from Amazon this time. I have mentioned all the links of the products in my description box, so in case you'd like to check out any of these products, don't worry, you can go ahead and check out the description box. With this, here comes the end of this haul video. Do let me know in the comment section what all have you got from sale this time, and I'll be in touch. I'll see you next video. Bye bye, take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.